In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add images to your Trello cards. Adding images is a great way to make your Trello boards more visual, whether you're managing projects, planning content, or just organizing your personal tasks. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to attach images from both the web and your own device. First, open your browser and go to your Trello board. Make sure you're logged into your account and then navigate to the specific board where you want to add an image. You should see your lists and cards laid out in columns. Next, click on the card you want to add an image to. This will open the card in a detailed view in the middle of your screen. Here you can see things like the card title, description, comments, and any existing attachments. On the right-hand side of the card, look for the option that lets you add more content to the card. Click on Add. This is where Trello groups a lot of useful actions, including adding attachments. From the options that appear, click on Attachment. This tells Trello you want to attach something to the card, and it will open a small window or panel with different ways to attach files. Now you'll see a field labeled something like Search or Paste a Link. Click into that field if you have an image URL you want to use. Paste the direct link to the image. This works well if your image is hosted online, for example, on your company's site or an image hosting service. Just make sure the link goes directly to an image file. Below that, you'll see a display text field. Click into this and add some text that describes your image. This is helpful context for you and your team, especially if there will be multiple attachments on the same card. If you don't have a link and instead want to use a picture stored on your computer or device, use the Choose a File option instead. Click on that, browse to the folder where your image is saved, select the file and confirm. Trello will prepare that file to be attached to the card. Once you've either pasted your image link or selected a file and filled in the display text, finish the process by clicking on Insert. Trello will upload or connect the image and add it as an attachment to your card. You should now see the image listed under the attachment section. And depending on your settings, it may even show up as the card cover on your board.